Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on my 2017 Fiat 500e and I'll be replacing the outside mirror panel. It has rubber on here and it is literally rotting away in the sun. So I purchased this piece here and it's got the black, shiny piano black on it, the rubber. It's got the tabs, clips. There's the part number in case you want it. This part will fit all Fiat 500s, gas, Abarth, electric. That's nice and easy. I'll get on with the install. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open the door to gain access to here. If you look at the piece, there's a tab at the bottom that slips in like this and it's got 3 clips. So you want to pull from the top portion to pull the top of this out. Oh jeez, it's literally just crumbling in my arms here. My hands, okay, that's disgusting. Okay, that was really easy. And, okay, yeah, it's becoming a huge mess. Okay, so you have to get it off of this piece and that's what it was stuck on. So yeah, as you can see here from the lovely Fiat quality rubber, the rubber is literally eroding away into the second sheet of rubber, so like this outer bit is just crumbling and then this portion was crumbling as I was trying to get this off. So that's lovely. Some people may or may not have broken clips, but you can use the new ones that are supplied with the part. So now I will use a tool to pop this off, and then you also need to take this rubber piece off before you install the new one. So you need to pull it from right here maybe. Slide it. Okay, boom. So there's little tabs here. I'll show you that momentarily. So I think that's sort of important. Do you see this tab here? It's like a little loop. So it's this groove here is connected into that loop. So you want to push where this loop is up to get it out. And that's the easiest way to do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this tool that is normally used for popping off interior door panels for audio equipment, and I'm going to attempt to just, you got to use the little indentation. Boom, got that out. Didn't break it, that's amazing. Now we're going to install the new outside mirror panel, aka triangle piece. So we've got the new tabs in it and has this little bottom tab that you want to put in first. Okay, so to reinstall, you just line up where the white tabs are and just pop it in. Boom. Simple, easy. Now, last step is to re-input the rubber seal, and it should just clip in. Be careful of this little edge. It's in the loop.
triangle pieces in part of the old cliff. There's always been a gap there.
I didn't look. Maybe there was a gap on this side. I just wanted to show the damage of this in more detail. It's deteriorating, but what's interesting is there's only a 1/16 of an inch of actual rubber. This is plastic, really bad design. That's why it's deteriorating all over the place like crazy. That's just food for thought. And it's definitely a piece that if you have your car outside, definitely gonna need to replace this part at some point, probably sooner rather than later. Thank you for watching my short video. Please consider subscribing to StickShiftStudios, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.